Hey, what's up, y'all? Dominoes 7 here. Okay. Alright, so anyway, talked about Jeopardy yesterday. Didn't upload it yet, but I'll upload it already. It's already uploaded. I don't know. Let me put this on the hold. Alright, so yesterday I did a Jeopardy vlog talking about Andrew Kong. That was defeated by Graham, So Graham whipped that ass yesterday. Well, sorta. Well, Andrew was whipping ass yesterday, but unfortunately he got his ass whipped. Excuse me on that one. All right, close them doors so y'all can see the posters behind me. Okay. All right. So, where I think about it, folks. Andrew Kong got his ass whooped yesterday. So anyway, I'm not, I want to tell y'all, Buzzy Cohen told his friends about me, He had his friends watching my shows, I mean, something? I don't get it, bro. I don't know who watched my shows, I really don't be knowing who watched the Domino 7 show, Domino 7 video, I don't know who be watching, I mean, Kirsten could be watching my show. I don't know. It's a possibility Tanya watching my show. I don't know. Okay, because she probably be showing her in-laws or whatever my shows and stuff like that. I don't know who the hell watched my show. I mean, some people be like, I remember at MechaCon, some guy came to me and said, "Hey, Domino, you're Domino. I saw your videos." Yes, indeed, he did some of my videos. He sure the hell did see my videos, though, okay? So, I want to tell y'all, though, my ex-cousin-in-law, Greg's ex-wife, Samara, her last appearance was my Christmas episode of 2016, Alright, so, I must say, I am really elated, of me doing this show. And then Andrew Kong got his ass kicked yesterday in Jeopardy, So on the serious side, though, I need to start doing vlogs on Price is Right again, So one of these days, just one of these days, I'm gonna do a video, a show on past Price is Right contestants, So, and you know something? I watched a video on YouTube many years ago with this lady that was 103, That was years ago. But God bless her soul, I'm sure she's not with us anymore, I don't remember what year it was, that this older lady that was on Price is Right in the audience, but she wasn't a contestant on Price is Right, She wasn't a contestant on Price is Right, but she appeared on a Price is Right, okay? Yes, she did appear on The Price is Right, But I'm very glad that she did appear on Price is Right. But I was in elementary school at the time, I think, And I remember Bob Barker told Roddy, if he ever do become 103, don't expect to see him standing right there, Don't expect to see him hosting Price is Right. If that would have occurred, but unfortunately for Rod, with us, he passed away October 2003, and he was 66. He was 66 at the time. So may Roddy rest in peace. Okay, and the good news is that Rachel Reynolds and Lanisha Cole had a chance to work with Roddy. So. Lanisha Cole been on Price is Right from 2003 to 2010, and Rachel Reynolds been with the show too from 2003 present. Okay, so that's the only Price is Right model that been on Price is Right since the Bob Barker and Roddy era. Okay, but Gwendolyn Osborne Smith, she only started on Price is Right in the Bob Barker era when Rich Fields was the announcer. Okay, so I know you Price is Right fans out there. Y'all watch Price is Right every day, even if Mike Richards is kind of ruining the show, you know. But I mean, I take that back, you know. At least Price is Right is doing okay, you know. So I mean, like Bob Barker said in 1995, the daytime Price is Right is going to go on and on and on and on, regardless of what happened to that nighttime Price is Right that time with Doug Davison, you know. And for you Price is Right fans that ever watched the nighttime version of Price is Right back then, y'all know Burton Richardson was the announcer. Okay, when I watched the CBS Price is Right, I'm talking about the daytime Price is Right. When I watched the daytime Price is Right in 2001 during my Thanksgiving vacation, I think it was that Monday of my Thanksgiving vacation that Burton Richardson was filling in for Rod Roddy. When I heard that voice, I said, "Wait a minute, I heard that voice before. That's that man from the nighttime new Price is Right." Yeah. I knew I wasn't tripping until I go YouTube, you know. When I go YouTube, I mean the internet, I meant to say. When I first got my internet, I first got my computer, my very first computer in 2008. I never thought I would ever get the internet, you know. So I am super duper 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 glad that I got the internet, you know. Yep. I love my life thus far, you know. Unfortunately, as y'all know, my mom is gone, you know. And then my oldest brother, I can't stand him, you know. I'm thinking Brandy is the monster. I was wrong about Brandy, you know. I'm so glad I was man enough to admit that I was wrong, you know. Do y'all remember my little niece Braylon? I'm gonna try my best to get Braylon to come over here tomorrow. Well, as a matter of fact, I don't think I will do that. I don't know. Okay. So, well, think about it, folks. I think that I might will invite Braylon over here tomorrow for some chicken. Church's chicken. So, we'll have to see if that'll happen tomorrow. Okay. Alright, so anyway, that's it for now, okay? So let me just stop my game and stuff, okay? Alright.